So here's a review of the new conical fermenters that are currently coming out of Poland. They're available in two sizes, the 80 litre and the 46 litre. This is the 80 litre version. They also come with an optional stainless steel frame at an additional cost, and that's what you can see this one is currently standing in. They come pre-packed with everything you need. Take a look at the top of this one. This one has the airlock that's also came, and that's been installed at the top. If you look down the unit, you see the graduation marks for the fill volumes. One side tells us the total volume of the unit, and the other side tells us the volume from the top of the cone. So you look a little further down, we can see the racking valve. This is a 1/2 inch racking valve, standard screw type thread, and I've added my own quick disconnect here, which allows me to connect it to the pumps. And at the bottom we can see the 1 inch dump valve, which is ideal for dumping trub or harvesting yeast without opening the large access port at the top of the unit. So all in all, a lightweight, very functional conical fermenter that seems to serve the job very well. Take a look at the top now, and I'm going to remove the 4 retaining screws that hold the lid in place. It is airtight. There's one, take off the second. Just screw them carefully. I remove the third. Finally the fourth. Lift the lid up now. We'll have a quick look at the bottom of the lid. Again, it's all formed from a single piece of plastic, easy to clean and sanitize, and just a hole at the bottom for the airlock. Just pop that to one side, and we'll take a look inside the fermenter. So looking inside the fermenter now, here you can see the sealing O-ring, which gives it its airtight seal, and we'll peer inside. You can see it's got an active ferment going on. It's all nice clean plastic, no marks or grooves. 2.5 mm thick, which seems to be a good thickness for stability and sturdiness, but also light enough to pick up and clean and move about. The access port is plenty big enough to get your hand inside. Make sure everything can be cleaned and sanitized properly. And here's the O-ring. Again, can be removed, cleaned, and then just pop back into place when you're finished. And that gives it a nice airtight seal. And here are the retaining screw holes. They're metal insets, and they just mean that we can secure the lid securely. Now we just pop the lid back on. There's those metal screw holes. I'm going to pop the screws back in. You can see there's a larger washer underneath just to help hold it all in place. I'll put these in loosely. There's the first one, and then when I'm done I can just tighten them up. There's the second. Try and find the third. There we go. And then finally the fourth. Not very easy to do one-handed, but they are easy to install. There we go, just pop that one in, and then we'll just tighten them all up, just hand tighten, and that will give us our nice airtight seal. Keep the oxygen out, the CO2 in. I can just test that. I'll give the lid a little push, and we can see the airlock bubbling away quite nicely. So there we go, a very functional, good value fermenter. Currently costing about £140 in the UK plus delivery. Compare that to over £1,000 with the stainless steel. I think it's very good value. They are certified by the Poland Institute of Public Health, so they should be food grade. And all in all, a very good value, easy to use, easy to clean fermenter. I can recommend it.